Hello everyone, I just wanted to share this really cool toy. I guess it's a little more than a toy. It's the Hover One, and it's a drone, but it's not your typical drone requiring a whole bunch of setup and extra parts and such. It's pretty simple. Like, you can fold it up and you can literally put it in your pocket and go. It's very, very, very light. Like, I can't even explain, but yet when you open it up and you turn it on, if I turn it on here, see if I can show. It has a variety of functions on it that you can just literally start. So if I put it on a current mode, bird eye, I'll just share what it looks like. So I'm going to just start it.
5 meters, bird eye.
But you got your... There we go. This is gonna be fun when we travel. All right, so now is it coming down? Hold on. All right, yeah, you can let it keep it going for a minute. So it can show how it stops.
Yeah.
So basically, when it's ready to stop, you just put your hand out, and that's it. So, and then here I'm gonna show, I'll do another function. So I also wanted to share, if you look at it, there's custom. The dolly is where when you press it, it will, it doesn't follow you, you follow it. So it goes in front of you. And then there is hover, which just hovers you when you use it. And zoom out is pretty cool. I'll try zoom out right now. All right, so you ready? Okay.
6 meters, zoom out.
All right. Then you just put your hand out. And it stops. Pretty cool. So it has a couple of other really interesting features, and you can control it with your phone. So we're gonna try it out. Okay, let's just walk. So you can see, one thing we have noticed is the battery only lasts about 30 minutes. Uh-oh, don't put it in wrong.
Is it supposed to go in like this?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, I think that's
There
good.
it is. All right. Open it up.
Put that in here.
Standard dolly track.
Now, with that gesture. So that was fun to give the Hover a couple test flights before we really want to try it out, but I'm gonna just give be transparent. It isn't cheap, and some of the reviews will say kind of, that is it, or ask, is it really worth it? I paid about $5.50 Canadian, and that was because I got a sale. So you really have to depend on what you want as a toy, or what your interest is, or what your passion is. For me, I really enjoy this, and so I feel like the money was worth it. But if it's not something you're going to use, or just use once in a while, yeah, I could see how that could be pretty expensive. But we'll see.